Did you hear that? Did you hear that crunch? Crunchy it was. Hi, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel and subscribing. So today, crunchy fried pies is representing so hard, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk, biao. ABT. Okay, let's get started. I'll start with my filling first. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to my pan. It's on medium heat. I'm adding some onion and garlic to it. I'll saute it for about a minute because I don't want to lose that crunch in it. I'm going to add some carrot. Give it a quick stir. Now add in my yellow and green bell pepper. Now I'm going to add tuna to it. I'm using tuna, but you can use any fish of your choice. You can use meat or you can go commando with your veggies. Do you? Okay, so I'm using tuna. Yeah, I'll give it a quick stir. And then I'm going to add some chili powder to give it this kick, and stock cube, black pepper, salt to taste. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of soy sauce, which is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't like it. Yeah, so I'll stir it, then I'm done with the filling. I'll go on the dough. Now I'm using plain pre-sieved flour, and I've added nutmeg and salt. If you are using plain flour which is not pre-sieved, sieve it before you use it. I'm going to add some unsalted butter to it. Mix it very well. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs to it, which is also optional. You can do without the eggs, but I love egg in mine. I'll add a bit of water. Now I'm going to mix it to form a dough, and then knead it in that bowl. I'll now leave it to rest for about an hour. Now it's good to go. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the board. You can also do that on your working surface. Now I'll use my rolling pin to flatten the dough very thinly because I want the pie to be very crunchy. But if you want it very thick, you can do that. if you don't want it too crunchy, you can do that. I'm using this cup to get the mini pie shape for the kids, and I will use the bigger bowl to get the bigger ones. Do it for the kids. Now I'm filling it. I'm going to fold it and then press it with my fingers, and I'll also use my fork to give it the nicely lines on the pie. You can fry it this way, but the lines just make the pie look cute. Yeah, so I'm all done. It's time to fry. Now I'm going to fry it till it's golden brown. It's looking good. Yeah, this is the second batch. It's done. I'll remove it and then place it on paper towel to remove all the excess oil left on it. I hope you will try it, and I know you will love it. It smells amazing. Now I've eaten half of it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and let's get popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.